Block 30 surface area. A polyhedron is a solid that is bounded by polygons called faces that enclose a single region of space. An edge of a polyhedron is a line segment formed by the intersection of two faces. A vertex or a corner of a polyhedron is a point where three or more edges meet, as shown in the figure. A net is a set of 2D shapes joined together at their edges and can be folded to form a 3D shape. To find the surface area of a polyhedron, you can find the area of all the faces of its net. Surface area of cuboids. A cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. All the faces of a cuboid are either rectangular or square in shape. In the figure, all the 6 faces are rectangular. The opposite faces 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 are identical, as shown in the figure. We know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth and the area of the square is side into side. When we see the net of a cuboid, we get 16 the dimensions of each side of each face of the cuboid. We notice that it has 3 pairs of identical faces. The area of each face is the area of a rectangle. To find the total surface area of the cuboid, we need to find the area of each face. The area of rectangular face 1 is L into B. The area of rectangular face 2 is L into B. The area of rectangular face 3 is B into H. The area of rectangular face 4 is B into H, and the area of rectangular face 5 is H into L, and the area of rectangular face 6 is H into L. So, the total surface area of a cuboid equal to area of face 1 plus area of face 2 plus area of face 3 plus area of face 4 plus area of face 5 plus area of face 6, which is equal to L into B plus L into B plus B into H plus B into H plus H into L plus H into L equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L, which is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Thus, we deduce that the surface area of a cuboid can be calculated when the 3 measurements length, breadth and height are known. Next, lateral surface area. Suppose a room is in the shape of a cuboid, 4 walls excluding the floor and ceiling. Hence, the lateral surface area of a cuboid is given by 2 into H into L plus B into H or 2 into H into L plus B, as shown in the figure. We can also write the area of 4 walls of a room as 2 into L plus B into H or perimeter of the base, that is floor, into height of the room. Example, find the surface area of the cuboid. The formula to find the surface area of the cuboid equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. For the shape given, L equal to 12 cm, B equal to 8 cm and height equal to 5 cm. The surface area equal to 2 into 12 into 8 plus 8 into 5 plus 5 into 12 cm squared, which is equal to 2 into 96 plus 40 plus 60 cm squared equal to 2 into 196 cm squared equal to 392 cm squared. Next example, the dimensions of a room are 15 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter. Find the total cost of whitewashing all 4 walls and the ceiling of the room. The cost of whitewashing per square meter is 125 rupees. Given the length of the room L is 15 meter, width of the room breadth B is equal to 10 meter and height of the room H equal to 5 meter. Area of the 4 walls of the room equal to 2 into H into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 5 into 15 plus 10 equal to 10 into 25, which is equal to 215 meters squared. Area of the ceiling rectangular equal to L into B equal to 15 into 10, which is equal to 150 meter square. Therefore, total area of the room to be painted equal to 215 meter squared and 150 meter squared, which is equal to 400 meter squared. Cost of whitewashing equal to 125 per meter squared. Hence, the total cost of whitewashing 4 walls and the ceiling of the room equal to 125 into 400, which is equal to 50,000. Next, surface area of cubes has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. All the faces of a cube are square in shape. In the figure 5, all 6 faces are square. We know that the area of a square is side into side. When we see a net of a cube, we get 6 squares as shown in the figure. We can denote the dimensions of each side of each face of a cube as A. The sum of the areas of each face is the area of the cube. To find the total surface area of the cube, we need to find the area of each face. The area of each face equal to A into A equal to A squared. Therefore, the total surface area of a cube equal to 6, which is equal to 6A squared. Example, find the surface area of the cube. The surface area of the cube equal to 6A squared. For the given shape A equal to 5 cm. The surface area equal to 6 into 5 squared, which is equal to 6 into 25 equal to 150 cm squared. Therefore, the surface area of the cube is 150 cm squared. Next example, the surface area of a cube each edge. Given the surface area equal to 260 meter squared and they asked to find the length of each edge. We know that the surface area of a cube equal to 6 into A squared. Therefore, 216 equal to 6 into A squared. Dividing both sides by 6, we get A squared equal to 216 divided by 6, which implies A squared equal to 36 meter squared. Taking square root on both sides, we get A equal to 6 meter. Therefore, the length of each edge of the cube is 6 meter. Next, surface area of cylinders. A cylinder has 3 faces. One of these is a curved surface, while the top and bottom of the cylinder are flat surfaces. The opposite faces, that is, the top and bottom of the cylinder, are identical as shown in the figure. We know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. When we look at the net of a cylinder, we see 3 shapes, 2 circles and 1 rectangle. We know that the 2 circular faces in a cylinder are identical and will have the same area. The curved surface is a rectangular shape on the net. To find the total surface area of the cylinder, we need to find and add the area of each face. The breadth of the rectangle is the height of the cylinder, and the length of the rectangle is the circumference of the circular base of the cylinder as shown in the figure. The area of the circular faces 1 and 2 equal to 2 into pi r squared. The area of the curved surface 3 equal to L into B, which is equal to 2 pi r into h. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylinder equal to area of circular surfaces 1 and 2 plus area of curved surface 3, which is equal to 2 into pi r squared plus 2 pi r into h, which is equal to 2 into pi r into r plus h. Next, lateral surface area. The area of the curved surface of a cylinder is the area of the rectangle. Thus, the lateral or curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h as shown in the figure. Example, find the surface area of the cylinder. The given height equal to 12 cm and d equal to 10 cm and r equal to 5 cm. Surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 into pi r into r plus h, 41.4 into 17 cm squared, which is equal to 533.8 cm squared. Hence, the surface area of the cylinder is 533.8 cm squared. Next example, find the height of a cylinder whose radius is 14 cm and the total surface area is 1936 cm squared. Let the height of the cylinder be h. Given radius r equal to 14 cm. We know that total surface area equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 14 into 14 plus h equal to 1936, which implies 88 into 14 plus h equal to 1936. Dividing both sides by 88, we get 14 plus h equal to 1936 divided by 88, which implies 14 plus h equal to 22. Transposing 14 to right hand side, we get h equal to 22 minus 14 equal to 8. Hence, the height of the cylinder is 8 cm.